Welcome to a brand new year and a profound opportunity to redefine your life. Let me ask you a question. Are you truly ready to embrace change? Not the kind that fades with fleeting resolutions or bursts of motivation, but deep, lasting transformation. The kind that reshapes how you see yourself, your purpose, and your path. Imagine waking up each day with crystal clear clarity. Imagine having a focus so unshakable that no distraction, doubt, or fear can hold you back. Picture yourself carrying a quiet inner strength, an unwavering courage to face life's challenges, not with resistance, but with peace and understanding. If this resonates with you, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into timeless Buddhist wisdom, lessons that go beyond mere words or vague ideas. These teachings are practical and powerful, a guide to real personal growth. They're rooted in centuries of understanding about the human spirit and designed to help you rise above the chaos of modern life. Whether you're seeking peace of mind, clarity of purpose, or the strength to overcome obstacles, this wisdom can transform not only your actions, but the way you live and thrive. We'll explore 9 truths you can carry in your heart every single day. These aren't just affirmations. They're keys to unlocking a new perspective, empowering your soul, and sharpening your mind. And if you stay until the end, I have a special bonus for you, an insight that could forever change how you approach life's toughest challenges. So take a deep breath, let go of any distractions around you, and allow yourself to fully immerse in these teachings. Your 2025 journey of transformation doesn't begin tomorrow. It begins right here, right now. Let's walk this path together. Let's begin with a profound affirmation. I am the best. Now, this isn't about arrogance or comparing yourself to others. It's about honoring the best version of yourself, the version that is always striving, growing, and blooming. Think of the lotus flower, a timeless symbol in Buddhist teachings. The lotus rises from muddy waters, untouched by the dirt surrounding it, and blossoms in unmatched beauty. That's you. Your true worth doesn't come from external circumstances or the opinions of others. It comes from deep within, from your pure and limitless potential. Each day, take a moment to reflect on your strengths, even the ones that might seem small or insignificant. Did you face a difficult moment with grace? Did you show kindness when it was easier to turn away? These small actions are powerful. They are proof of your inner light and resilience. They remind you of your ability to rise above challenges, just like the lotus. When you stand in front of the mirror, look yourself in the eye and affirm this truth. I am the best, because I am becoming the best version of myself. This isn't just a statement. It's a commitment to yourself, a vow to keep growing, to keep learning, and to let your true nature shine through. With this mindset, the grip of self-doubt begins to loosen. You'll stop looking for validation from the outside world because you'll understand that everything you seek is already within you. Buddhist wisdom teaches us that the path to peace and fulfillment begins with self-awareness and self-compassion. By recognizing your own value, you plant the seeds for transformation. Like the lotus flower, you are capable of blooming no matter where you are or what you face. Embrace this truth every day and watch how your perception of yourself and the world begins to shift. This is the first step in your journey of growth. Let's walk it together. What's truly holding you back? Is it the world around you, or could it be the mental barriers you've built within yourself? Buddhist wisdom reminds us, with our thoughts, we make the world. Take a moment to let that sink in. What if, every time you told yourself, I can't, you replaced it with, I can? What kind of world would you create for yourself if your thoughts were no longer chains but wings? Imagine a bird sitting in a cage. The door is wide open, but it doesn't move. Why? It believes the cage is still its reality, that freedom is out of reach. But the moment the bird realizes the sky has always been waiting, it spreads its wings and soars. That bird is you. You've carried self-doubt and limitations for so long that they may feel like part of you, but they're not. They're illusions, and you have the power to break free. Each morning, before the rush of the day takes over, take a moment to pause and visualize a goal, a dream that fills you with excitement and maybe even a little fear. It doesn't have to be big, it just has to matter to you. Now, instead of feeling overwhelmed by the distance between where you are and where you want to be, ask yourself one simple question. What's one small step I can take today to get closer to it? Buddhist teachings show us that transformation doesn't happen in a single moment. It's not about giant leaps, but about consistent, deliberate action. Every small step you take is a victory, a reminder that you are capable. And with each step, your confidence grows, your fear fades, and the cage you once believed in starts to disappear. So today, challenge yourself. Replace doubt with belief. Replace hesitation with action. You're not bound by the walls you once thought defined you. The sky has always been within reach. You just have to spread your wings. Let this be the moment you begin to soar. Uncertainty can often feel like a heavy storm cloud looming over your life and blocking out the light of hope. But here's a timeless Buddhist truth. Each morning, we are born again. What we do today matters most. Think about that. No matter how chaotic or overwhelming life may seem, every new day offers you a chance to begin again, to rewrite your story, and to rise above the challenges that try to hold you back. The difficulties you face, the doubts, the setbacks, the unexpected twists are just like passing storms. They may seem relentless, but they will pass. And beyond the clouds, the sun always rises. That sun is your persistence, your courage, and your faith in yourself. It's a light that cannot be extinguished no matter how dark the storm. Begin each day by grounding yourself in gratitude. Take a moment before the world demands your attention to write down 3 things you're thankful for. They don't have to be grand or life-changing. It could be the warmth of your morning tea, the comfort of a loved one's smile, or simply the chance to try again today. Gratitude isn't just an act. It's a practice that trains your mind to focus on abundance rather than lack, on opportunities rather than obstacles. Buddhist wisdom teaches us that what we nurture today determines the life we'll live tomorrow. The seeds you plant now, whether through small acts of kindness, moments of courage, or steps toward your goals, will grow into the future you dream of. And when you tell yourself, "My future is bright," you're not placing hope in chance or luck. You're affirming your power, your resilience, and your ability to shape the life you desire through mindful action and belief. So, take this moment to breathe deeply and remind yourself, the storms are temporary, but the light within you is eternal. What you do today matters, not because of what you've left behind or what lies ahead, but because today is your moment to plant seeds of joy, strength, and growth. And one day, when you look back, you'll see that every sunrise brought you closer to becoming the person you were always meant to be. Excuses are like invisible chains that keep us from stepping into our full potential. They might feel like shields, protecting us from the fear of failure or the discomfort of effort. But in truth, they only weigh us down and prevent us from moving forward. Buddhist wisdom reminds us of a powerful truth. You are your own master. The future depends on what you do today. Your journey is yours alone, and every excuse you make is simply a delay in reaching the life you are meant to live. Take a moment to reflect. How often do we say, "I don't have time," or "I'm not ready," and use those words to avoid action? These excuses may feel valid in the moment, but they are barriers we create for ourselves. The reality is that growth, success, and transformation don't require perfection. They require action. And action begins when we let go of excuses and embrace the present. Instead of saying, "I don't have time," ask yourself, "How can I make time?" Instead of saying, "I'm not ready," shift your mindset to, "What's one small step I can take today?" These small shifts in language have immense power. They turn hesitation into momentum and fear into opportunity. Every time you choose action over excuses, you're not just moving forward, you're proving to yourself that you are capable of more than you believed. Buddhist teachings remind us that life is a series of choices. Each moment presents an opportunity to move closer to your true potential. To make this shift tangible, start keeping a journal. Write down the moments when you chose action instead of excuses, no matter how small the step might seem. Did you take 5 minutes to meditate instead of scrolling through your phone? Did you start a task you've been putting off? These small victories are not insignificant. They are proof of your strength and determination. With each step, you'll notice a transformation. Excuses will lose their power over you, and you'll begin to see that growth is not a distant goal, but something you create with every decision you make. The future you desire doesn't depend on luck or perfect circumstances. It depends on what you do today. So, let go of the chains, take the first step, and watch how your path begins to unfold. Growth isn't about taking one giant leap forward. It's a collection of small, deliberate steps, each one bringing you closer to the person you aspire to be. Buddhist wisdom offers us a profound truth. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. These words remind us of the incredible power we hold within ourselves. Each day, start with a simple affirmation, "I am getting better." This isn't just a phrase, it's a mindset that fuels your journey. Think of your daily life. Maybe you handled a difficult situation with a little more grace than before. Maybe you learned something valuable from a mistake you made. These moments might feel small, but they're not insignificant. They're victories, proof of your progress and resilience. Over time, these small steps add up to unstoppable growth. The key is to honor these moments and recognize the strength they bring to your journey. As you grow, practice self-compassion. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing yourself to others, measuring your progress against their achievements. But Buddhist wisdom reminds us that comparison is the thief of peace. Your journey is uniquely yours, and no one else walks the exact path you do. Instead of focusing on how far others have come, celebrate your own micro-improvements. Each positive step forward, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. Setbacks will happen. They're an inevitable part of life. But here's the secret. They're not failures. They're lessons, opportunities to learn, adapt, and grow stronger. Buddhist teachings often use the metaphor of the potter shaping clay. The clay doesn't transform into a beautiful vessel overnight. It takes time, care, and patience. Sometimes it even needs to be reshaped, but with every touch of the potter's hands, it becomes something extraordinary. Trust your process. Even when progress feels slow, know that every effort you make is shaping you into something beautiful. Your journey is not about perfection, it's about persistence. So take a moment to breathe, reflect, and appreciate the steps you've taken today. Growth is happening, whether you see it clearly or not. And one day, when you look back, you'll see how far these small, deliberate steps have taken you. Keep going. You're becoming something remarkable. Imagine standing in the heart of a vast, serene forest. Around you, towering trees stretch toward the sky, their roots anchoring them deep into the earth. The wind blows, bending their branches, yet they remain unshaken, steadfast in their strength. This is how your mind should be, grounded, unshaken by the shifting winds of external opinions. Buddhist wisdom teaches us, do not seek approval outside yourself. These words are a reminder of where true strength lies, within the truth. is no matter what path you walk, someone will always have an opinion. Some may praise you, others may criticize, and some may misunderstand you entirely. But their judgments are like leaves floating on a river. They drift by and eventually disappear. They have no power unless you give them weight. Your worth isn't defined by what others think or say. It comes from your own understanding of who you are and what you stand for. That doesn't mean you should close yourself off to the world. Embrace feedback when it's constructive. It can be a valuable tool for growth, but let go of negativity, especially when it stems from a place of judgment or misunderstanding. Just as the trees in the forest are nourished by the soil and the sun, allow yourself to be nourished by what strengthens you and discard what does not serve your journey. Stand rooted in your values. Know what matters to you and why. When you live in alignment with your principles, the opinions of others begin to lose their power over you. Trust your path, even when it feels uncertain, because it is uniquely yours to walk. Just as the trees, trust the earth to hold them steady. Trust yourself to stay grounded, no matter how strong the winds of life may blow. Take a moment to reflect. What are the roots that ground you? Is it kindness, perseverance, integrity? Whatever they are, let them anchor you. The next time you face criticism or feel the pull of seeking approval, return to those roots. Remember, you are like the towering trees, strong, resilient, and unshaken by passing storms. You don't need external validation to prove your worth. You carry that truth within you. Stand tall, trust your journey, and let the leaves of judgment float by without a second thought. Your strength comes from within, and it's unshakable. How often do we postpone our dreams, telling ourselves there's plenty of time? Someday, we say, maybe tomorrow. But Buddhist wisdom reminds us of a stark truth. The trouble is, you think you have time. These words are not meant to instill fear, but to wake us up to the reality that time is the most precious gift we have, and it's fleeting. When we recognize this, we stop living on autopilot and start living with intention. Every moment of your life is unique and irreplaceable. The laughter of a loved one, the soft glow of sunlight on your face, the excitement of trying something new, these are not just fleeting experiences. They are life itself happening right now, and they are infinitely valuable. Yet how often do we rush through our days, blind to these small miracles, thinking that we'll fully live later? The truth is, there's no perfect moment to start. The only time we truly have is now. Begin each day with a moment of reflection. Pause amidst the busyness and open your heart to the beauty that surrounds you. Listen deeply to the sounds of life, feel the earth beneath your feet, and allow yourself to truly experience the present. These moments, however simple they may seem, are the foundation of a purposeful life. They remind you that your time is not something to be squandered or taken for granted. It's a treasure to be cherished and used wisely. The key to aligning with your purpose is not waiting for the stars to align or for everything to feel just right. Life will never be perfectly predictable. Challenges will arise and uncertainty will always linger, but none of that should keep you from beginning. Your purpose doesn't live in the distant future. It's something you create in the present moment, one intentional step at a time. So take the leap. Start the project you've been dreaming about. Say the words you've been holding back. Embrace the adventure you've been postponing. Don't wait for permission or the perfect time, because time is passing whether we acknowledge it or not. Start now. With every small action, you honor the gift of life and move closer to the person you were meant to become. Live intentionally, and let each moment guide you toward a life of fulfillment and peace. Time is fleeting, but the choices you make today have the power to shape eternity. Don't wait. Begin now.